Hello, welcome back. How to make friends, tips and language, part 1. So, first of all, let's determine and I ask myself, um, what kind of friends do I want to make? How many friends do I have time for in my life? What kind of friends do I want to make? How many friends do I have time for in my life? Where do I go? Where do I start? What do I do? How do I find new friends? The million dollar question. How do I find new friends? So these are the questions. You start with questions, right? So gauging your motivations and exploring through questions. So that's the tip here, the tip of making friends. So we started with the need to communicate. We started with the idea that because we have a need to communicate, because we are humans, because we live in a community, we want to share our ideas, we want to be interdependent through communicating, through being of service, and you need certain language and wording to make friends, especially coming to a new culture. I'm from Nepal, and coming from a different culture, and I live here in the United States. So coming from a different culture, I needed to learn the attitudes and beliefs, or not beliefs so much, but the attitude and the way you talked, the different styles of communicating to make friends, to be part of a community, and that's so key. So what are the questions you ask when you want to make friends? Because you say, I want to make friends who have similar attitudes and beliefs. Sometimes it could be that you have similar religious beliefs. So say you go to churches, and if you have similar religious beliefs, you go to churches and you introduce yourself, and you get engaged in small talks. Smile, say hello, ask open-ended questions. Hello, how are you? How nice to meet you. I'm Ujjwal. Can I have your name? It's so great to meet you. It's so great to see you today. Hey, how's it going? So again, if you have similar interests or similar beliefs, you go to certain places, and there you ask open-ended questions, you smile, you be friendly,